Hello, welcome all. After learning the structure of Yii application, today we will learn how to create our first page in Yii application and display a simple message. To create this, we will go move to our Visual Studio in Basic Project Template. So to create a first page in Yii application, we must create first an action and a view. So what is action and what is a view? The actions are declared in the controller. So the site controller is inbuilt controller in this inbuilt application. So in this, these are the actions. Action index to display an index page, action login to display an action login page, the contact action to display a contact page, and the about action to display an about page. Same like this, we have to create our action to display our message page. So what we'll do, we define one action method in this. So let's start with it. Public function action and the name of the method. Suppose I want to create to display a message. So I will write example. This is the name of my action and the message parameter. Write here message which we want to display. Welcome to Yii2 tutorials. Okay, then in this we have to write about view page to display a view page. So what we write, we return $this, we call render method and the name of view page. I have given the action name as action example. So I will write here the same name so we can recognize it easily. Example is name of the view page, comma, we pass the message parameter. Message and the in this what we have created, we created an action method. In E application, all actions method are prefixed with the word action and the name of the action method which we want to display or the page which we want to display. In this action will read the message parameter from the request and will display the message. The next step we have to create a view file. We have written the name of view file here is example. How to create a view? We create view in view folder. In view, we will go to the site. Why site? Because the we are created an action example in the site controller. Action always are defined in controllers only. So we have to create the view in this folder only. What we do? We simply copy this file, paste, we'll rename it, give name as example. We don't use all this, so we will delete it. and we will write our code. PHP equal HTML equal in message parameter. So what we are doing here, we are passing the message parameter in this view file. It will display the message. So what is view? The view folder basically contains the response content. And for the first for this example action, we have created example view. So we check it whether it is displaying or not. So we will go to browser. This is our basic part, localhost basic web index page. Now what we have to do, we will give question mark r is equal to, what we have to do here, we have to first give our name of the controller. So what is the name of our controller? Our controller name is a site here. So we will write site. Then we will pass the name of the action method. What is the action method name is example. We will write here example. Always remember that the action method declared here is start with the capital letters, but when we are calling it in browser, we have to write here in small letters. Example and enter. So our message come displays here. Welcome to the Yii tutorials, which we passed here only. One more thing, what is in this URL mentioned? We mentioned the R. So what is R? Parameter in URL stands for the root. When we are going to display this message, how the browser will know what action we have to call. So what we do, R, that is root, is equal to which root we follow? The site, the name of the controller slash the name of the method which we want to call. So always remember the root format is the name of the controller ID and the name of the action ID. In our case, the what is our controller ID? The site is a controller ID and action ID is an example. The second method is if you want to pass any another message via URL only. So how will do this? You have to simply write here message equal to message we want to pass. Suppose I want to pass hello plus world. So it will display hello world. In this way, we can pass the message via URL only. So it will take the current message. And if you want to display it from the page only or controller only, you simply pass the name of the controller and the name of the action. This is how you can pass the message in a message from the actions. In next we will learn about how to create our controllers and the views. Thank you.